Hey guys, we're out here at the same lake, gonna go fly fishing this time around. Just see what we can do.
So there's Aaron. Say hi, Aaron.
Hi Aaron.
Hi, Aaron. So, we're trying. We ain't catching, but we're trying. We started out over on that side over there. There's too much stuff, not enough space. Moved over here, a little flatter. No fish. No fish. At least it's flat though. And if anything else, we're getting some good practice, I guess, huh? How about that? Come back home, we'll be like fly fishing kings. Even though we still suck. Let's watch Aaron. Let's rate Aaron's cast. Oh God, my feet are stuck. Oh, there we go. Do it. That was terrible. It's behind him. That was absolutely horrendous. That was, out of 10, I give that a 1 every day. Good God, I'm singing.
I was gonna say, I missed my cast. That was so great. I got stuck.
I'm like in quicksand. Check this out. Look at that. Look at that. Can you guys even see that? Look at that cast. I don't know if you can see that, but that's pretty smooth. I mean, look at that. You see that, Aaron? Yeah. That's a nice cast.
Yeah, that's great.
That's better than you.
Yeah, no, that's real cool.
Oh, no, it's not. I did it too. There we go. Is it gonna fly? It's still gonna fly. Let's see. Let's show you guys what I'm using here, so that you know never to buy it ever. Because by God, it doesn't work. We got a little yellow guy. It's pretty much just a hook with some yellow. And what are you using, Aaron? What you using?
A little worm imitation.
A little red worm. Good God, that sounds so close to me.
Because it was.
Well, if I get stuck, meh, who cares? Good God, oh my God, your feet get stuck.
Yeah.
Boy. And when you get one foot out, the other one sinks down. Since you got all your weight on that foot. If you haven't guessed, we're wearing waders because we're in the water. Well, alright guys, moved on a little bit because that spot was like every other spot we've tried, dead. But we think we just found the money hole right here. So, see what life has to offer here. Let's see. God, we're crossed. Oh yeah, I need to get close too. I may have to wade in there.
I'm just surprised that we jokingly fished a puddle and crossed up.
What's wrong with that? It's tight. We're using fly rods and it's tight.
Like
It's a juicy spot. Look at all the grass around. It's any good fish would be like, oh, I can hide right here and get a free snack. What's there to lose? But these just ain't good fish. These ain't the fish I want to keep anyway. Because
these are stupid fish.
And there's another bug right there. There's no way there's fish in there. God, it looked so nice though. Oh, I missed. There we go. Let's grab that. And we'll keep on moving. Down yonder. Down yonder way. See what happens. Probably nothing, but we'll see. We'll find out. We'll see. We'll find out. We'll see. Well, what river? What are you talking about? Oh, have fun with that. It appears a challenger has arrived. Dude over there hopped out the car. Hope they don't take my fishing hole, because that's where I was gonna fish. Hey,
They took your fishing hole.
I think we can take him though. The two of us. Let's see. There's at least 3 of them. Oh, good God. We're outnumbered.
Should we just lay down and hide so Heather looks like an idiot?
Yeah, that'd be kind of funny. Well, let's see if they take our spot or not. But if they do, we're probably heading in. Well, we didn't really have too much luck out here, but we're definitely gonna get at it early morning, same spot. We may try some fly fishing, may go back to spinners. Not really sure, but yeah, today was kind of a dud fly fishing. So we may just come out and try it tomorrow, see if we can hit any, but we'll see. I'm gonna leave it there. So, peace guys.